All right, so there's a massive blizzard here in New York City, but it doesn't matter. Elevator's broken. Just not even working, but it doesn't matter. Snow boots are on for my beautiful wife and I, because no days off. Gotta go to the gym. We'll report back on what the blizzard looks like. All right, here we go. This is what it looks like after the blizzard. It's still snowing. Oh, babe, we gotta walk. Gonna walk to the gym in this, but no days off. This is what we do. Hear the crunchings of the feet. Let's get it. All right, it's pretty intense out here, but we're still going to the gym. I have to work tonight. This is ridiculous. It's like a ghost town out here. Nobody's on the streets really, but it's not gonna stop us. We called the gym. They're open. Synergy Fitness in Astoria. Shout out. Here we go.